What are you doing?
6 crore hours of my life. I'm eating rice. Also,
How?
Homework.
With help or on your own?
On my own.
Can you show me one time taking a bite करके? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Whoa! Is it yummy?
No.
ऐसे करके बता दो, Daddy, it's yummy.
Please.
Daddy, it's yummy. We celebrate a birthday.
Why do we celebrate Christmas? Ask me that.
Mama, why do we celebrate on Christmas?
Because it is Santa's birthday. No? Okay. Because it is Noor's birthday.
No.
Because it is Mama's birthday.
No.
Because it is...
Jesus Christ, birthday!
Yes, it's
And Noor?
Jesus Christ
No,
birthday.
where's your tree?
Here.
Show me. Whoa!
And you know, whoever puts...
Dada, is it done?
Yeah, it's done.
Now should we put decoration?
Yes, we have to put decorations.
Can you give me a decoration?
Yeah, but you do Christmas tree dancing. You haven't shown me the dancing.
Christmas tree. You wanna want a Christmas tree? Look at the Christmas tree. Wow. Who got this for me?
I got it for you. It's a sketch pen set.
We're going to do this later.
अच्छा ठीक है, okay.
No, because you have to make the
Mama, where
song.
is the decoration?
पहले कद्दू से तो पूछो कि do you want to do it?
Ask Kabbu if he wants to do it or
अपना
not.
हेयर बैंड पहन के आओ क्रिसमस वाला. हेयर बैंड कहाँ है आपका?
नहीं ऊपर ऊपर पकड़ो. नहीं ऊपर पकड़ो मुझे लेने दो. मुझे दिखाओ. दिखाओ मुझे. ये किसने बनाया बाबा? कलर किसने किया? आपने किया है? सो नाइस यार.
इतना beautiful look है.
बहुत अच्छा, हाँ.
Colours and दोनों इकट्ठे बैठे हुए हैं, तब से beautiful.
वेरी नाइस यार.
Beautiful.
Noor, where are we going right now?
Right.
Okay, and what is there at home?
Nana and Katrina and Mama.
And one more thing you said bye to today.
Christmas tree.
Yes. Why do we put up a Christmas tree in home?
Because it's Jesus Christ's birthday.
Yes. And who's Jesus Christ, Mama?
Mary.
And who's Jesus Christ, Daddy?
Joseph.
Yes, very good. You give me the right answers. All right, Noor, are you ready for the number game? All right, go to number 6. Okay, go to number 1. Yes, go to number 2. Go to number 3. Go to number 4. Go to number 5. And go to number 6. Now go to number 4. And go to number 2. And go to number 1. And that's a good job. What happened? What are you making?
Home.
With?
Magnet.
Magnets. Don't put them here. You can make the home even bigger. So you can put these blocks over here and make it even bigger. Would it not be nice if you make it bigger? Yeah.
Look at the big home, Daddy.
Wow. Whose big home is it?
Alita Telly. Now
Okay.
click a picture in it. Now, no. Don't look at me. Look at the...
तो यहाँ पे दोनों बच्चे सेंटा क्लॉज के लिए अपना अपना लेटर लिख रहे हैं. यहाँ पे नूर अपना लेटर लिख रही है सेंटा क्लॉज के लिए. सेंटा के लिए क्या लिख रहे हो नूर आप?
Give me gift.
गिफ्ट के लिए लेटर लिख रहे हो आप?
हाँ.
ठीक है, ओके लिखो. And Kabir is also writing a beautiful Merry Christmas Santa letter. Kabu, what are you gonna write in your letter? Can you look at me and tell me, please?
Ever tell anyone your secret?
No, but you can say what you are writing. Picture for Santa you're gonna make.
Yeah, like a drawing.
Very nice. Okay, all the best. Noor, will you make a nice letter or Kabir will make a nice letter for Santa?
I will make Santa, please give me gift. I want the monster car Lego.
You want a monster car Lego and you're gonna write that for Santa?
Yeah.
Okay, and where will you keep the letter?
I'll keep it on the Christmas tree and Santa will come and see it and he will give me a monster truck car Lego and I will open it and I will make it with you.
Okay, and will you be happy?
Yes.
What will you do when you get the gift? How will you react? What will be your reaction? Oh my God. Okay, all right. But no, for finishing your letter, you have to make some nice Christmas tree, Santa decoration, some house on the letter. Right now, it's a very blank letter. You have to make it very beautiful.
Okay, I'll make it over here. Santa, I want a rainbow home.
Very nice. And now, what do you need to keep the letter?
In socks.
Yes, ask Nani for socks. No, this is your letter and this is your sock. You have to put the letter inside the socks. And also, while you put it, do a nice song for Santa. Now you have to hang it in the tree. Go. Letter I have kept it here. Go. Hang it in the tree. Nicely. Yeah, यहाँ पे नीचे. यहाँ पे hang कर दो अच्छे से. And pray कर दो for Santa to come. ऐसे नहीं, यहाँ पे. ऐसे करके देखो. ऐसे. You have to hang it like this. इधर रख दो. नूर ने उधर रखा है. ऐसे hang नहीं, ऐसे लटकाना पड़ेगा.
कबीर नूर गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरी क्रिसमस। कुछ नहीं है, सैंटा आपके लिए नहीं लाया कुछ। अरे नूर और कबू के लेटर्स। Oh, he kept some gift near the letters and the socks. He ate the cookie. He drank the milk.
Now what is inside? No, this is mine, that is yours.
You guys want to take the gift and take it to Daddy?
Yes.
You want to open it in the bed? Is it no?
Monster truck. Show. Shake.
Huh? Come, let's go to Daddy.
God, you got a gift?
Let's open
Who
it.
gave it to you?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus got the gift for you. Wow!
Come on, bed.
Did you give her my gift? No, Monster truck. No, you have to make it for Daddy.
Whoa.
Please come. Mama, did you monster truck?
Yes, it's a
Mama,
good.
it's a monster truck.
Yes.
Did you write this in your letter?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can we say thank you to Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
And can you both hug each other? Can you say Merry Christmas to each other?
Merry Christmas.
Santa क्या CCTV में? क्या हो रहा है ना?
भाई साहब इतनी जल्दी आके चला गया मानो.
देखो अब
तुम्हें कैमरा में नहीं दिखेगा.
अब कोई गिफ्ट्स नहीं थे.
So Noor's monster car is slightly ready, and Kabu is here. You have a question for him?
Can you take this out?
Kabu is doing his own thing by himself in his room, and Daddy is helping Team Noor. Noor, who is in your team?
Daddy is helping the monster car to make it.
Okay. And that's Bhai. Bhai is doing all by himself. This is your second Lego? Third, Kabir. This is your third independent Lego, right? Yeah. Okay, Kabir ko latest Lego ka शौक आया है. Third independent Lego. And that is, who is that? Steve Harrington, जो मुझे नहीं पता था. कबीर ने ये पोस्टर कल खरीदा है क्रिसमस कार्निवल से. If anybody knows who's Steve Harrington, please comment करके बताना.
अरे he's from Stranger Things.
Arey, let's see if everybody knows na, like I didn't know. Nuru, who was born on Christmas?
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. And what was Jesus Christ's mother's name?
Mary.
And father's name?
Joseph.
And where was Jesus Christ born? In a hospital.
No.
Then?
In the hay.
In a hay. Okay, wow. And Jesus Christ was the son of?
God.
Very good.
And then twinkles.
Twinkles also. Okay. And what song we sing on the Christmas day?
We Merry Christmas. Happy Merry Christmas. Happy Merry Christmas.
And that one, you better not shout. What was that?
Better not shout. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's drinking God first. He's drinking God twice. He thinks he was naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He knows you when you're sleeping. He knows you when you wake. He knows you when you're good and bad. So we good and love to say that time.
Yay. Good job. Very good. And did Santa come to your home last night?
Hi guys, Santa called my monster truck for me. That I made it with Daddy, and I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. And how many wheels does your monster truck have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. And what color is your monster truck?
Blue.
Huh, Kabir, you did it?
Yeah.
All by yourself? Oh my god, what a smart looking car you made, Kabir, with Lego. Very nice. Very nice.
Awesome, man.
4-5 hours of dedication.
Throughout the day. Good job,
High five. Super educated.